Hello. In order to create your online account for American Home Financial Resources, you can always Google that. You'll type this in, you'll see this. Click on this option right here, make a payment. And this will take you to this page. If you're using a mobile device of any type, stop doing that and switch over to using a desktop or a laptop in order to do this. When you get to this page, you'll need to scroll down to here, and this is the link that you're going to want to click on. If you're on a mobile device, chances are you're not going to see this. So switch to a desktop or a laptop. Click on that. You'll want to proceed here to the correct web page, which is right here. Click on proceed. It takes you straight to that page, and you will need your AFR welcome letter that has your AFR loan number. Okay, so when you get to this page, you will not have a user ID or password yet because you have to set that up. So you'll want to come up here to create an account and click on that. And this is the page that you need to create your online AFR account. You will need your AFR loan number here, and then you'll need your first name, last name, social, email address that was on your original loan documents. And then you'll need to create your own user ID. Here are the parameters for that. And you'll need to create your own password. Same thing. Those are the parameters for that. And that's what you need to do in order to set up your online account. Of course, click this, and then this continue button will be activated. Click on that, and that should get it taken care of. You'll have to do the standard verification of email address, and then follow the instructions once you get your account set up, and you should be able to make your payments from inside that account and have full account access from there. Okay, if you have any questions, please call your rep. All the best.